Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make cells bigger in Google Sheets. So let's say you have a cell where you have a text, so let's write a text, and the text is actually so long that it doesn't fit into a cell. How to make this cell bigger? There are two ways to make this cell bigger. First way is to extend the column, so you could always drag it right here and extend the column, or you can extend the row like so and keep the column the same, let's say. But right now the text is overflowing, so you'll have to go right here to text wrapping and simply select wrap. And now once your row is big enough, the text will wrap in it. It is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.